Stop Googling like this. You open 10 tabs. Click, scroll, ads. Still no answer. Do this instead. One question, one answer. All sources. This pulls from multiple websites instantly. No switching, no guessing. Seconds instead of minutes. Do less, better.